is ready. When it will be finished, it will be like this, in this way. Okay, already that both of cylinders insert inside the ply, and the lower one, this is the distance, it will stay like this, and this is the second one. We will still keep this belt because no need to twist the cylinders. Okay, then we want to insert, now we want to lift this section complete with the two cylinders, and we will insert them here inside. Okay, alignment for the light, and we will insert it in the outer net.
መለስ ይሄ በጣም ሳይነሳ ይቀራል።
The first section, the second section. Put all the cable inside and tied by rope, and we pull it from there together with the fly section. Tie this one like this, put piece of wood, and later you remove everything from here, from the end there. Now it's already inserted inside the outer mitt. Now fix the first pulley here with the wire rope. Now we will fix the second one. Okay, this one is ready. Here the 4 bolts. And now we fix the right pulley with the rope. Okay, full tight. And take care inside the cable is not twisted or mixed. 1, 2 here. Okay, put the line of grease here. This will be ready. Okay, tight it by belt and insert it here. This is the third section.